Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick basement clean. My youngest son is coming in for spring break, so I really needed to get this basement cleaned up. That way he'd have a clean space. So I'm going to get the bathroom taken care of, and I'm also going to be showing you that project that I've been working on and talking about for so long. But I hope you guys enjoy this quick video and it gives you some motivation to get something done today. But I've got a lot to get done, so let's go ahead and get started. So I honestly cannot tell you how excited I am for this project to be done. I think it took me probably almost 3 months. This did start back in December, and what my idea was for the sign was those big, huge mercantile signs, the ones where you could have them like custom made with whatever saying you wanted on it or your last name or something. And I've been looking at those for so long, and they're in upwards of, $500. And I was like, there's no way I'm paying that. So I had my friend at work make the actual sign for me, and I went ahead and got this primer paint, got it all sprayed down, and a clean base. And then I went to Etsy and bought the PDF form of the mercantile sign that I wanted, and I got that onto my projector, and it was not as easy as I thought it was going to be. So this is actually sped up pretty fast, and it probably took me maybe an hour and a half just to get the mercantile word traced. And I got so many cramps in my hands just to try to do this. I went ahead and got that big part done first, and then I said, I'm just going to go ahead and finish this tomorrow. And tomorrow never came. One thing after another, I just got busy with other things. And by the time I went back to actually finish it, you guys, I could not get the projector to line up exactly the way it was before. So what I ended up doing was basically freehanding the rest of everything. And I also ended up changing up some of the words. You will see it at the end just to kind of make it our own. And I'm so extremely glad that this is done. This has honestly been probably one of my biggest projects and the one that I'm so super most proud of, because this thing is massive, and it ended up going in my dining room or, back behind my kitchen table. I've been wanting to kind of minimize all of the decor that I've got throughout the house, and this was the one thing that I knew that I wanted right there in the kitchen. So after I got all of the lettering traced out, and I actually ended up using like an acrylic paint marker to get all of the letters and everything painted in, I went ahead and went over it with a clear like a spray paint, just like a finish, just to kind of coat everything and make it look all cohesive. Now, if you get up close to it, is it perfect? No. Did I want it to be perfect? Absolutely not. But I'm so extremely proud of this. These were like blood, sweat, and actual tears that went into this. So you'll also see on the edges, what I did when I got finished was I took some watered down stain, like wood stain, and just kind of went around the edges just a little bit to make it look a little bit more weathered. But you guys, I'm so in love with this. And I got to the point where I was like, I don't even care if anybody else likes it. I'm just so in love with it, and it's finally finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if there's some project out there that you guys have been thinking about doing, just do it. It doesn't matter. Just do it. It was very therapeutic just to kind of get me, in the floor and concentrating on something, just to kind of slow down and get that all made. So I'm super proud of myself for that. But also in today's video, like I was saying in the beginning, my youngest son was coming in for a couple days for spring break, and the basement definitely needed to be cleaned up. That way he had a space to go to. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this couch vacuumed. I'm going to get the floors vacuumed, get everything wiped down. And you're also going to see that there is a huge pile of just stuff over in the other corner. So what that mostly is a lot of my yard sale stuff that I'm getting ready to do, and I've still got to go through it, but that's mostly what all of that stuff is, and that's going to be another video to come. And I also hardly ever film the basement, so I figured I would switch it up for you guys a little bit today.
I slowly have forgotten to remember about you, babe. If this is what all lovers do, I'll find another way. The way I fell in love with you is far from me today. I'd love to fall right back into the way we used to play. I'd rather be blue than lighthearted. Won't break, just be smarter. Whatever to get back from you. I know that the night has just started. Get up, don't be bothered. Get out there, find some things to do. Start again. Rather be blue than lighthearted. Won't break, just be smarter. Whatever to get back from you. I know that the night has just started. Get up, don't be bothered. Get out there, find some things to do.
You tossed me like a stone. You swept me off my feet. I can feel my bones. I still count the days. You swept me off my feet. I keep going high, she keeps going low. Something feels wrong right now, I know. Something feels wrong. You don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fire. I won't wait for you, 'cause you keep telling lies. I keep going high, she keeps going low. At the end of the day, she's gone low. You don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fire. And you keep telling lies. You played me like a game. Fine, but I could feel the pain. It's been so many days, I still feel the pain. I still feel the pain. I keep going high, she keeps going low. Something feels wrong right now, I know. Something feels wrong. You don't wait for me, 'cause 'cause I keep breathing fine. I won't wait for you, 'cause you keep telling lies. I keep going high, she keeps going low. At the end of the day, she's gone. But you don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fine. And you keep telling lies. I keep going high, she keeps going low. At the end of the day, she's gone. But you don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fine. And you keep telling lies. I still count the days, I still feel the pain. You don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fine. I won't wait for you, 'cause you keep telling lies. I keep going high, she keeps going low. At the end of the day, she's gone. But you don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fine. And you keep telling lies. I keep going high, she keeps going low. At the end of the day, she's gone. But you don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fine. And you keep telling lies.
So I'm finally done. Everything looks so much better, and I'm ready for my son to come and visit. It's few and far between the times that he does get to come, so I'm definitely going to take advantage of this time and spend some good quality time with him. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that button before you leave. I love you and appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.